Hey girls, what are you both doing there?
Mommy, your car was really dirty, so we both are cleaning your car for you, Mommy.
Oh, you're cleaning the car? That seems to be a good idea too. And also, don't forget to get the cleaning supplies before you clean the car.
Okay, Annia, I'm gonna go and get the cleaning materials. Oh, Elsia, then I'm gonna go and get it too. Okay, now I have the bucket to pour water on the car. And Elsia, come fast, Elsia. We have to finish cleaning it and play. Okay, Annia, I'm coming. I brought the mops and the sponges and everything to clean the car. Okay, so now I have mixed soap with the water so we can clean the car. I'm gonna bring this bucket with me in the top of the car and I'm gonna pour it. There you go. Oh my god! This car seems to be much dirty from above. Okay, now I'm gonna wipe the car with the sponge. La 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 la. I love to clean the car. It's so satisfying. Okay, I missed a spot here. Ugh! Oh my god, this dirt seems to be really strong. It's not going really fast. Ugh! I have to scrub it very hard. Oh my god, Annia, you're gonna fall down. Be careful, Annia. Okay, Elsia, I know to be careful, okay? Oh my god, Annia is standing on the edge of the car. Okay, I cleaned the front part of the car now. It's really clean and shiny. Okay, Annia, it's my turn to clean the car. Give the brush to me. So, Annia already cleaned the front part of the car. And now I'm gonna clean the back part of the car. I'm gonna take the same brush and brush it. And I'm also gonna add a lot of foam. So it's more fun to clean. Oh my god, I'm gonna add so much of foam. Elsia, I think you're putting too much foam and wasting it. Come on, Annia. You had so much fun while cleaning the car. And I'm gonna have fun too. Oh look, I almost finished cleaning the car. And guess what? My side's more clean than your side. Elsia, why do you want to fight now? We're anyway gonna clean both the sides now and both the sides are gonna be really clean. Hey Annia, you sprayed water on my mop and knocked it down. That's not fair. Elsia, I just did it for fun. Don't be mad for that. La 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 la. This is really satisfying. I love it. Hey Annia, you're bumping my head. Oopsie. Hey Annia, what are all these? Why have you brought so much stickers here? Well, Elsia, I'm actually gonna decorate this car after I dry it. Oh, that's actually a good idea, Annia. I'm gonna help you dry the car so I can decorate the car with you too. Okay, Elsia, let's decorate the car together. So now I'm gonna dry the front sides really dry. Okay, there you go. Okay, I'm almost done now, but I still have to dry the car in its front part. Okay, so I'm gonna wipe it here, and the last part. There you go, I finished it. Okay, time for the most exciting part, decorating it. I'm gonna put this little heart sticker here and this red heart here. Wow, it already looks so pretty. I can't wait to finish it. Okay, now I'm gonna put the pink heart here and the white heart here. And oh, I'm gonna put this yellow star here. Okay, I think that's about it. Oh, we still have one more. I'm gonna put the green star here. Okay, Elsia, you did a very good job. And now I'm gonna put this butterfly sticker here because I think it's the most prettiest thing in the world. What? I think flamingos are very pretty. Oh, well, Elsia, I think both of them are really pretty. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna put these two flowers beside the butterfly. And Elsia, guess what? I actually have 3D stickers. Look at these. These are 3D stickers. What? 3D stickers? I can't believe it. Wow, these are really cute and I can feel them. Now, Elsia, guess what? I'm gonna put this sticker which has glitter inside. Wow, Annia, it's really pretty. I actually have a lot of 3D stickers, Elsia. So look at this, it's actually a lipstick shaped sticker. I think it's my favorite sticker here. What's your favorite sticker, Elsia? Oh, mine was definitely the sticker with glitter inside. I think it was really pretty. Oh, that's a great choice. Oh, look at this. This sticker says love on it. It's really pretty. It's gold in color. And finally, I'm gonna put my second favorite, the butterfly sticker. Annia, do you have any flamingo stickers I can stick? Oh no, Elsia. Sorry, the shop didn't have any. Wow. The car looks really pretty, Annia. Let's call our mom and show it to her. I bet she'll be really happy. Mommy? Mommy? Come and look at this, Mommy.
What is that?
Mommy, we know very well that you love to stick stickers in your car. So that's why we decorated your car with stickers. Do you like it, Mommy?
Oh no, I should have told it to them at the beginning. This is not my car. This is my best friend Barbie's car. I don't know if she'll like it or not. Kids, all these stickers are very beautiful, but the thing is that this isn't my car. This is my best friend Barbie's car. What, Mommy? Hi Elsa, how are you doing? Oh, the car looked really dirty when I left it here. Were you the one who cleaned all these, Elsa? Well, Barbie, my kids were the one who cleaned the car, but they sticked stickers without asking me. Well, I don't know if you like the stickers or not. So if you don't like them, I can just ask my kids to remove the stickers, Barbie. It was my mistake. I was the one who should have told it to them. I'm so sorry, Barbie.
We're really sorry, Miss Barbie. We thought it was our mom's car and that's why we stick stickers on it.
Girls, you both need not ask sorry to me. I am the one who should thank you, girls. Oh my god, the stickers look really beautiful. You guys made my car really pretty and also cleaned it for me. Thank you so much, girls.
Oh, so you like it, Miss Barbie?
Of course, girls, I really love it. Every sticker is really pretty. And I love the butterfly stickers the most. So can we all go on a ride in this car if you guys like it? Okay friends, don't forget to subscribe, share and hit the like button.